Okay guys, so now we have almost completed our entire website. Now one thing remaining is the footer. So here I will create a global footer like this I have on my dummy site. So for this, first I will log into my site. I will go to dashboard. Now when we log into the dashboard, go to Divi and then click on theme builder. Now here you can see you have three different options: global header, global body and a global footer. I will click in global footer. Now here you have two options. You can add from library if you have created any template or downloaded any template. You can add from library or you can build from scratch. I will click on build global footer. Now the editor was open. First of all I will go to section settings. Now I will go to design and spacing. Here I will give it 80 pixels of top and 10 pixels of bottom padding. Now I will click on this tick button. Now I will click all row with 4 columns. Now before adding any module I will go to row settings. First of all I will go to design and sizing. I will enable use custom gutter width. Now I will make it 2. Now collapse this section and go to spacing. Here I will give it 30 pixels of bottom padding. Now I will click on this tick button. Now in first column I will click on this plus button and add an image module. Now here I will select my logo. I will select this image and then I will click on upload an image. Now go to design, alignment, I will make it left aligned, and in sizing I will change its height to 80 pixels. Now click on the tick button, hover over here and add a text module. Now I will paste my text here. Now I will go to design, text. Here I will change its font to Roboto. I will change its text size to 15 pixels, line height to 1.8 em. Now I will go to advanced, custom CSS, and here in main element I will add custom CSS of font weight 400. Now click on this tick button, hover over here and add a blur B module. Now here I will type title get in touch. Now here I will add a contact number. Now I will go to image and icon. I will use an icon, search for icon. I will select this one. Now I will go to design. Here in image and icon I will change the icon color to blue. Now I will change its placement to the left side and size to 36 pixels. Now I will go to title text. Here I will go to H4. I will change its font to Roboto, make its size to 14 pixels and underlined. Now I will go to text, body text. Here first of all I will change its font to Roboto and then I will change its color to blue. Now I will go to spacing. Here I will give it 30 pixels of top margin. Now I will go to advanced, custom CSS, and here I will add a CSS of font weight 400. Now click on this tick button. I am done with first column, so I will go to second one. Here first of all I will add a text module. Here I will add my text. Now I will change this contact us to H4 HTML tag. Now I will go to design. In heading text I will go to H4 tab and change its font to Roboto. Now I will make it underlined and I will change its line height to 1.3 em. Now I will go to text and I will change its font to Roboto. Now go to advanced, custom CSS. In main element type font weight of 400. Now click on this tick button, hover over here and duplicate this again. Now click on this gear button and I will change the text. Now I will go to design. In spacing I will give it 30 pixels to the top and 10 pixels to the bottom margin. Now click on this tick button, hover over here and add a social media follow module. I will select this module. Now here you can see you have two different modules. First of all, I will go to first one. Here in Facebook, I will go to background and I will change its background color. Now I will go to design. In icon, I will change icon color to this one. Now I will go to border and I will change the border rounded corner to 50 pixels, border width to 1 pixel, and its color to this one. Now click on the stick button, delete the second column and duplicate first two. Now I will go to its settings. Here I will change it to Twitter. Now in background, I will remove the background color. Now click on the stick button, go to third one, change the network to Instagram. Now also I will change its background color. Now click on the stick button. Now you can add link in it by clicking on this gear button and here in the link. I will add facebook.com. Click on the stick button, go to second one. Here I will add link twitter.com. You can use your profile link here. I will use a dummy here. Now I am done with the second column, so I will go to third one. There first of all I will duplicate this contact us module and I will drag it to the next one. Now here I will go to settings. Now I will change the text. Now it will look like that. Now I will go to design. Now go to text and here I will add 30 pixels of line height. Now click on this tick button, duplicate it and drag it to next column. Now here I will change its text. Now here I have use of my services. Now you can add link in it by I will go to this gear button. Here I will select this text and then I will click on this link. I will add the hashtag home and then I will click on OK. Now in services I will add link hashtag services. OK. Now about us I will add link hash about, and for the contact I will add link hash contact. Now click on this OK button and then click on this tick button. Now click on these three dots and save the footer. Now the footer was successfully updated. Now I will click on this arrow to go back. Now here you can see I have added this global footer. Now you can see all the changes was saved. Now I will visit my site. Go to the footer. Now here you can see I have changed the footer same as the demo site. Here I have added some links and other services, our contact, follow us buttons, and here little description about our company. Now this tutorial was completed today. If you haven't yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notified about future updates. I will make videos on how to create website on different platforms like Elementor and WP Bakery. So keep following our upcoming videos to get to know how to create websites in WordPress. Thanks for watching.